guys, my mom and White here. If you're new to this channel, we're glad to have you here. To all our subscribers who's always there, thank you guys for coming back and thank you guys for joining me. For today's video, it'll be a rainbow shape with different color. Okay, not the regular rainbow color that you see all the time, but this is different colors. So all the materials that we use here, it will be in the description down below. Please check that out. Okay, with that said, I will be using this first, this color. So the gold will be 8 inches. We inflate this to 8 inches using our balloon sizer right here, 8. Okay, and then the purple is a little smaller. We inflate this to 7 inches right here, like that. We inflate this to 8 inches and inflate it to 7 inches. We will attach or connect this together. By the way, the size of these balloons are 10 inches balloons. So again, gold and purple. So you will need 30 of the purple and 30 of the gold. So you attach this, now it becomes duplet, and there's duplets here. Alright, so we'll put this on the side, and I already have a lot of this down on the floor that is already been pre-made. So with that said, usually if I do this with a client, I will use a fishing line, 20-pound fishing line. But for blog purposes, I will use this curling ribbon so you can see. Okay, so first you will attach to your duplet, tie it on the duplet like that. Okay, and then I will hang this . All you need to do is put this on top and make sure it's not too tight or else it'll get deformed. So just like that. And then you put this on top. Make sure it's not too tight. Continue on like that. Then on top. As you can see at the back, like that. Grab some more. Okay, so now I'm gonna continue on. Same thing, I'm gonna face it this way so you'll see. As you can see, like that, and in the back. So I'm gonna flip it this way so you'll be able to see. the trick to this is don't make it too tight, okay? Set it on top like that. And last one. There you go, guys. And then when you flip this, like that, guys. Ain't that beautiful? Then we'll just cut the string off. We'll put this on the side. Moving on, so the next color would be hot pink and lime green. So this one is 5 inches. There are 5 inches balloon. We inflate this to 6 inches right here using our balloon sizer. Would be right here, 6 inches. And the green is a little smaller. This is 5 inches. Right there. So again, you pair this up. Now it becomes duplet. Again, you pair this up. And we also need 30 of each color. So per duplet, it'll be, when you talk about duplet, it'll be 30 total. So the same thing, you will attach them just like the first color. So I already pre-made this. So now we will continue on with this one right here. As I mentioned earlier, you just have to attach them and you alternate like this, then that. Alright, so this one right here, continue on. So we have this. And you don't want it too tight. Alright, so just like that. Turn. So now we'll move on to the last layer of our rainbow. Put this on the side. Alright, so for the last layer of our rainbow would be color blue and light purple. So this one is inflated. Actually, these are 5 inches balloons as well. And it will be inflated to 4 inches right here. And the light purple is 3 inches. There. So the same thing, you need 30 pieces of this and 30 pieces of this. So attach them together to become duplet. And the same thing, I already pre-started the last layer. So it's right here now. So all I need to do is continue on to finish what I started. So the same thing, you will put this on here, so just like alternate. Okay. So again, you don't want to make this too tight. And there it is, guys. So now we'll connect them all 3 arches. And there you go, guys. As you can see, I lay it flat on the floor. So now we need your 260Q or modeling balloon. You just have to tie this. Just like that, or you can use rubber band. So I have a lot right here. So what we're gonna do, we'll attach this here. So using the modeling balloon or 260Q, I'll put this on here. And then connect it to your bowl. Just like that. Do the same thing. So that's the one. I'm gonna go here as well. So as you can see, it's nice and sturdy. There you go, looking good so far. Look at that. And now our last layer. So now we'll do the same thing on the last layer, the same thing. Use your 260Q. I'm gonna attach this time to the purple. Just like that. One in here as well. Alright, and there you go. If you lift this up, it's nice and sturdy. Side right here, so you can let it stand like that. And now we'll just have to make some clouds. All right guys, so this time we'll need our clouds. So we have whites right here, so it's gonna be a cluster of balloons. It doesn't matter what size, and then duplet attach just like that. Then I have another one. Then just pair this up here. So I'll grab the tail end right here, the tail end, and attach them tie them like that. And another one, you attach them the same way, tail end. So no particular size. You can just shape it in any way you like, because it's cloud anyway. No particular shape. Another one, like that. So all we need to do is attach that to this end. So you have the strings still attached. So just connect them here. And on the other side, it's the same thing. We have our string here as well. Let me lay it flat for now. Get some more string. Alright, so we get the clouds attached right there, and I have this fishing line attached to the ceiling right there. I have a hook. It's not even there, so we will hang this rainbow. Let's leave that for now. This one as well. And there you go, guys. This is finally done. I hope you guys like this. If you do like this, please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. And once again, this is Fun and Why. Thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you guys in our next video. Take care and have a wonderful day.